Wouldn't it be nice if you could effortlessly collect data from machines and other physical assets? If you could visualize the results of data analysis right on your smartphone or laptop? Yes, it would. It's called MICA. Hi, my name is Vivek Dave, Technology Director for HARTING North America. MICA is already starting to be used in many exciting areas within the industrial internet. For example, predictive maintenance. MICA is providing valuable information to show when a machine is about to go down, allowing useful intervention. MICA is also being used for process quality. Is a process making a good or a bad part? MICA is being used in smart infrastructure to monitor bridges, wind turbines, even applications such as water flow and water velocity in rivers. On the logistics side, MICA, in combination with RFID, is able to track where and what is happening in a shop floor, in a warehouse, across an entire distribution network. To elaborate further, let me break that down into three simple aspects of what the MICA can do. First and foremost, the MICA provides connectivity, the ability to get data out of the industrial environment. Second, the MICA can perform in-depth analysis of this data directly at the edge of the industrial internet. For example, a manufacturing engineer could walk up to a machine and view its health immediately on his smartphone or smart tablet. No need to go to the cloud. Microservices, therefore, are an important component of enabling the MICA to provide useful information content right at the edge. Lastly, the MICA can seamlessly interface with backend cloud services to take advantage of tremendous cloud computing resources. The MICA has two aspects which make it very attractive within the industrial internet environment. Number one, it uses open source software which still allows the user to generate proprietary content. Secondly, the MICA has reconfigurable hardware. This flexibility also enables very rapid development. In short, MICA is up for any design challenge.